Alright, my name's Bobby Lone. I'm 18 years old, and here's my Harrow Lineage bike check.
Have been chilling when the phone rang. It was St. Peter. He said, "Get the heater."
Alright, so at the top of the bike, I got some ODI long neck grips. The super soft with the ODI bar ends. I got some sweet lever. It's the M2 lever with the dual cables going down. And I got some Fiend Team bars that are bad as fuck.
Bullets start to sting. Couldn't fly, so I called the Hospital of Kings. Choir won a solo, I will never sing. They tried to save it, doctors had to amputate my wing.
So next thing on the list is the blue profile stem. It's the top load. I like it a lot. Some detangler plate. I think it's a Snafu. Very nice, very nice. And then the headset cap and headset. We got a King headset. It's red because that's what my bed sheets look like after I fuck your mom.
Took a spot, set up shop, selling dust to angels. We work hard for that. Get the guns, time to tango. Hey, you, get off my cloud.
Go back down the back where we got some nice Harrow Lineage forks. I got $20 off these motherfuckers. Yee. We got profile mini hubs front and back, the rainbow spokes and the blue nipples. We also got some Deviant rim, nice and light, tire, Maxxis, the Grifter. Hell yeah, Bubba. Yee.
You don't know me and you don't know my style. Hey, you, get off my cloud. Try to take heaven, then I gotta give you hell.
It's the Harrow Lineage frame, okay? 20.5. It's some other degree bullshit. We also got the cables, Snafu cables, and then the piece of shit Snafu Mobilis, and then the London mod. Kata!
Motherfuckers got me filled with anger. Clouds in heaven being run by some strangers.
Alright, up next on the bike, we got some Colony Fantastic plastic pedals. We got the premium 1948 cranks. We got some Kink sprocket. I can't remember the name of it right now. It's 28 tooth. It's nice. It's spline drive. And then I got the Shadow Conspiracy chain.
They executed Michael in broad daylight, then repeated cycle. Murdered Gabriel, then said the cloud is off.
Next thing, the Demolition D-Fat seat. Nice fat, just like my penis. Pivotal C-post, long, hard, just like my penis. And then I got some Odyssey brakes with the Odyssey pads. Smooth, just like my moves.
Up here, you don't want the war. That's what one said. He had a wife, he beat her. It was clear to me that he was the leader.
Back wheel, profile mini, Alienation Felon rim, and then we got the tie spokes, the blue nipples, and the Grifter tire. Fuck you.
He was rhyming on it. The beats was hot, could have had better timing on it. Anyway, I said that to say this.
Alright boys, that's it for my bike check. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace out.
What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Hey, you, get off my cloud. You don't know me and you don't know my style. Hey, you, get off my cloud. Try to take heaven, then I gotta give you hell. Hey, you, get off my cloud. You don't know me and you don't know my style.